Hello and welcome to the 2016 SMPTE elections. I'm your host, Ryan Salazar. Today, our guest is Francois Vaillant, candidate for Canadian Governor of SMPTE. How are you, sir?
Pretty good, thanks.
Well, it's nice to meet you. If you would, please briefly introduce yourself.
Francois Vaillant, I've been working for the CBC or Radio Canada, which is the Canadian broadcast company, for a public broadcast company. Working there for since 2005, and now I'm actually the executive director of the engineering and infrastructure design for the corporation.
Okay, if you would, please share your SMPTE experience and how the society has benefited from your participation.
Well, I've been working more behind the scenes in the local community for many years. Most of the people involved in local teams actually been working with me for many years. So CBC is a huge partner of the SMT locally and also in general in the US. So we always pushing even pushing the bar to push the ideas and push the technology as far as we can, to bring our industry and forward in the good direction.
All right, Francois, why are you the right person for this job?
Well, I've been working within the CBC, which is a huge. It's probably one of the biggest, if it's not the biggest, broadcast company up north in Canada. So we have a lot of folks, a lot of people, a lot of margin. We're pushing also the technology as far as we can. Um, we have actually having a lot of resources to help out our industry to involve and to push. So I think we are in a good position to help the business and the industry to progress, and as well SMT as a group and an organization.
All right, so what is one challenge that your region faces? And if you're elected in your role as governor, how would you overcome this change?
I would say one of the biggest challenges is the move toward IP. For us, is getting a challenge to recruit um, qualified personnel, which is known to broadcast in the IT industry. I think that's a reality for a lot of broadcasters. We need to think out of the box and figure out a way to recruit proper personnel, to make some information session and training more on IT type technology instead to be pure broadcast like they used to be. So we need to change. We need to adapt and evolve. I think I'm actually well aware of that situation. And we need to move toward that direction as well. So I probably can help my corporation and also the business industry to think out loud, to exchange out about the good practice and how can we involve toward, I would say, the IP type of technology to broadcast need.
Again, Francois Vaillant, candidate for Canadian Governor of SMPTE. Thank you so much for spending some time with us.
Thank you very much for the invite.